Just at Home Depot. So this is the stuff that you guys don't really see, a bit of behind the scenes of the preparation of the Tucson Gem Show. So just getting some poles for the lights. I'm going to cut them to size, screw them in, hang the lights on. So that's today's job. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty guys, thank God that they fit. Shut this boot. Milo's being demoted to the back seat though. Hopefully these don't go straight through the window, but should be fine. All right, so it's the 26th, it's the Tuesday. We're about 3 days from the opening of the 22nd Street Gem Show. So I brought the PVC piping home, set it up, just getting a bit of a visual idea of what that's gonna look like with the lights on. Just drilled the floor posts. And today's a bit of a boring day, guys. Heading to the bank. Then got to head to Tucson Store Fixtures, pay for the showcases, about 1,200 American, not cheap for 3 showcases. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. So probably see what's to go tomorrow, start setting up and show you guys a bit of the booth because it is setup day tomorrow and Wednesday. Milo's sitting in the car. I'm going to pretend to rob him. Cheers. Give me your fucking money. Day the 26th, it's about 3 p.m. I've just headed to the storage unit, picked up all the stuff, car full, lots of rough guys, and you know, table chairs and stuff like that, all ready for setup tomorrow. So we've got 2 days to set up, Tuesday and Wednesday, so we've got plenty of time. Should be good, and the showcase will be delivered tomorrow, which is good, and we can get that lighting all done. I'll make a video as soon as possible of what we have in stock. So it's the 27th of Jan, it's day 1 of setup, but the show opens the 29th. So we've got the tables out, the showcases, all that stuff. Got the PVC piping for the lights. I'm gonna need to run to Home Depot and get some more, but I'll get some posters up. We're gonna have a massive 70-inch TV just here, displaying us in the mines, all that stuff, some gorgeous stones. So stay tuned and I'll show you what it's gonna look like after. So that is day 2 of setup, all done. It's the 28th, so tomorrow we are opening for the first day of the 22nd Street Tucson Gem Show. So we put everything out, most of the stuff. Haven't put the jewellery out yet, because it's pretty expensive. Don't want that to stay overnight. But we got most of the stones out and a lot of rough, heaps of rough guys. Nice big TV at the back there. Signage. So I'll do another video tomorrow, guys, just going through what we got, a bit more thorough. But for today, that'll be it. So hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And if you want the information, just take a screenshot of this. Just when everything's going perfectly. Always something stuck on the side of the freeway, tow truck coming, and we're gonna swap rental cars. So lucky we got everything done today. But that is, I was driving about a couple 100 meters with this.